How to get $100 TGI Fridays promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in TGI Fridays promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Fridays TGI. So go ahead and open any of these websites. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Worth Penny. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for TGI Fridays. Just scroll down and check out the offers. $20 off, 55% off, 70% off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Once you get the code, you can copy it and head towards the website of TGI Fridays and use it. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for TGI Fridays. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for TGI Fridays. So this is how you can easily get up to $100 TGI Fridays promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.